All right, problem number 11. Now, in problem number 11, we're going to change from one compound again to another compound. And this time we are moving from grams of one compound to grams of another compound. So, let's get right to it. We know, and you got to look up on your periodic table, eventually the mass, but grams of chloride is going to equal to 1 mole of chloride. We don't want 1 mole of chloride. So mole, and notice I did not put a number down, chloride is going to equal whatever moles of CHCl3. Okay, we'll go back and get the numbers in a moment. And we don't want moles of CHCl3, so we put mole CHCl3, and 1 mole is equal to the mass of CHCl3. Now, mass. So we're going to look up the mass of chlorine. Chlorine is 35. So 35 times 2, 70. So there's that one. We have here chlorine, and I've got my calculator out. So we have 35 times 3 gives us 105, plus we've got hydrogen, plus 1, plus 12 for carbon. That should give us 118 grams there. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. All right. Now we got to look at the mole to mole ratio. So we have chlorine, and we see that we have 3 moles of chlorine. Here's that coefficient. So we're going to put a 3 there for chlorine. And we only have 1 of the CHCl3. Okay, so grams of chlorine cancel, grams of chlorine. Moles of chlorine, moles of chlorine. Moles of CHCl3, moles of CHCl3. And we are left with our grams of CHCl3. So that's exactly what we want. We're now going to bring all the numbers down. We start off at the top. We have 100 times 118. All divided by 70 divided by 3. Now this is the first time we've actually had this much number-wise. Okay, let's go ahead and cross out the 0 and the 0 there. So we know that 10 can go into both of these. 10 can go into 77 times. 10 can go into 100 10 times. And so let's just go ahead and multiply this across. We end up getting 1,180 divided by 21. And so you will need your calculator for this. So you're going to go ahead and plug in 1,180 divided by 21 equals, and we end up getting 56 point, we're going to round 2. It's 19, but we're going to go ahead and round it, 56.2 grams of CHCl3. Box our answer, and that is the process that you need to be going through with problem number 11.